Hello viewer, I have taken that image with the multiple frames and the multiple persons there. So we will edit it carefully. First go to the channel mixer to mix up the channel and get a strange design on our screen. So let's make it and remove the difference in all of us. So here for the further changes we have to go to the camera raw filter. It's a camera raw filter, adding the temperature tint as well. Going for the exposure, contrast, highlights, shadow as well. Add more clarity, vibrance. Here it is. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your suggestions. So that it is.